In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of motion and explore its different types. Motion is simply the change in position of an object over time. But did you know that motion can be categorized into several distinct types? Let's break it down step by step. First, we have two main categories of motion: periodic and non-periodic motion. Periodic motion refers to motion that repeats itself after a fixed interval of time. A classic example is the motion of a pendulum. It swings back and forth, returning to its original position after every set time period. Other examples include the motion of the orbit of planets around the sun. On the other hand, non-periodic motion is when an object's motion does not repeat in a regular cycle. For instance, a car moving along a street. The car's movement doesn't follow a predictable pattern and varies depending on the road and traffic conditions. Now, let's break it down further into two categories: oscillatory motion and non-oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion refers to motion that repeats back and forth around a central point or equilibrium. A great example is a spring mass system. When you pull a mass attached to a spring and release it, it moves back and forth. Similarly, a ball bouncing up and down also exhibits oscillatory motion, where it goes up, comes down, and then bounces again. Conversely, non-oscillatory motion is motion that doesn't involve a return to a central point or equilibrium. For example, when a box slides across a table, it keeps moving in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force like friction or a stop. Finally, let's look at simple harmonic motion and non-simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion is a type of oscillatory motion, which means the object moves back and forth in a regular pattern. The force pulling it back is directly related to how far it has moved from its starting position. A common example is a spring with a weight attached, where the weight moves smoothly back and forth. Non-simple harmonic motion, on the other hand, is not oscillatory. It doesn't follow a regular back and forth pattern. For example, think about something moving in a circle. This is an example of non-SHM because the motion isn't a simple back and forth oscillation. Instead, it is continuous circular motion. Summarize: motion is a dynamic concept, and understanding its types helps us to analyze and predict various physical phenomena. From periodic to non-periodic motion, oscillatory to non-oscillatory, and SHM to non-SHM, there's a lot to explore in the world of motion. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more engaging science content. See you in the next video.